You know what is decidedly extra but not frustratingly enticing? A laptop with a display in the trackpad. Razer hinted at it with its concept project Linda back at CES, but ASUS just went ahead and built a display into the trackpad of a laptop you can buy this year. Welcome back to QatNip, and today we present you the ASUS Zenbook Pro 15. So come on, let's learn together. The ASUS Zenbook Pro 15 with a screen pad, also known as the UX 580, has a 5.5-inch 1080p IPS LCD display where most of us expected a trackpad. As you would expect, it can function just as all the boring and dumb trackpads do, but it can also be programmed if developers choose so, with lots of custom shortcuts, or it could be something like the Nintendo 3DS. So it is possible to have some extra stuff down there. Maybe you could watch movies on it or have a music visualizer. ASUS says that out of the box it will have a configurable toolbar and work with Microsoft Office, Spotify, YouTube, and even the calculator. Besides the screen pad, the UX 580 can also be configured with up to a 4K display where the regular display is, or the screen, the main screen actually. The display will also support up to 100% of Adobe RGB color space, which means better reproduction of the color green, and it should have a 178-degree wide viewing angle, making it solid for when you're watching Netflix with a large family. It can be configured with up to an 8th gen Intel Core i9-8950HK CPU and an NVIDIA 1050 Ti GPU with 16GB of RAM and 4 SSDs, each up to 1TB. That's a lot of power, and it comes with a big price tag. The UX 580 starts at $2,300 but when fully kitted out, it could go up for another grand or even more. We'll know if the price tag is worth it when it comes closer to launch. It's expected to start shipping mid-July this year. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.